This example contains two fractions and one term plus 8. We collect the fractions to the left and keep 8 on the right-hand side. Now, pay attention. Since the fractions have a common denominator, x, we can simplify the numerator, 8 minus 4, and leave the same denominator. Now, if 4 over x equals 8, then 4 over 8 must be x. That means x equals a half. Again, two fractions and one term, 58. Since the fractions have a common denominator, 3, we can add 1/3 and 2/3 to give us 3/3 or 1. X equals 5. And once again, two fractions and one term, adding 2/5 and 3/10 leads to 7/10. Multiplying by 10 and dividing by 7, x equals -20. This new equation contains two terms on the numerator of one of the two fractions, but this shouldn't be a problem for you now. You can expand brackets, so stop the video here and solve this equation. Right, 3x plus 6 over 15 minus 5x over 15 leads to the fraction minus 2x plus 6 over 15. Multiplying by 15, minusing 6, and dividing by minus 2 leads to x equals -57. This equation may look a bit complicated because of the way it's written, but I want you to realize that taking a half of 5x plus 3 is the same than dividing 5x plus 3 over 2. Stop the video here and try solving this equation. Right, multiplying the first fraction, top and bottom, by 2 leads to 10x plus 6 minus 4x plus 3 in the numerator. Expanding the brackets and minusing each term inside leads to 6x plus 3 over 4 equals 2x. Solving the equation returns x equals 1.5. This last equation has an added difficulty. You have 3 instead of 2 fractions. Can you think of the best way to tackle it? Well, the denominators are 4, 5, and 10, so I'm going to convert these 3 fractions into equivalent fractions with 20 as the denominator. That way I can easily simplify the numerator and leave the same denominators. Two fractions with the same denominator are equal if their numerators are equal. So 17x plus 21 must be equal to 16x minus 4, and so x equals -25. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!